Hello everyone, my name is Rhode. Once again, here in my kitchen's creations, it's a pleasure to bring you this amazing recipe that we are making today. And it is beef with sauce. It's a tomato sauce, really yummy and really good, that I will show you step by step how to make this delicious meal for dinner, for lunch, or for any occasion. For this recipe, we are going to need at least 1 pound of beef. This is a sliced beef, as you can see. And here we have some bell peppers. You could use the red ones or the green ones. I have these yellow and orange ones that are perfect for this recipe. We're going to use 1 medium onion. You could use the red onion or white onion. I'm using this one that is yellow. And then we're going to use a minced garlic. The quantity for these ingredients is up to you. It will depend on the amount of meat that you are going to make as well. The first step is to heat up your pan at least 390 or 425 Fahrenheit. Better if you do it for at least 5 minutes before placing your meat in here. First, I'm going to season with some applewood sea salt. If you don't have this kind of salt, you could use whatever salt you have in your pantry. You could use kosher salt or pink salt or regular salt. This kind of salt is perfect for this recipe because it will add a flavor, like a smoke flavor, and I love a smoke flavor in my food or in my recipes. This amount is perfect. Very good. Now is the moment to add some paprika. This is a smoked one, but you can use the regular one as well. Just a pinch, a little bit like so. In both sides. As always, pepper is optional. You could substitute this pepper or black pepper for oregano if you like oregano better. Also, if you want to add some spicy, you could use cayenne pepper. Now you would like to add or drizzle a little bit of olive oil here. This is optional. You could put it just right inside your pan, but I like the flavor that it adds to my meat. So I will drizzle a little bit of olive oil, just like so. Just try to, because it will penetrate really good with all the season my meat, like this. now this beef is ready to go into the pan. Let's place the meat. It's super hot. And placing the meat in the hot pan is the secret for a very, very tender meat. Okay? At least 2 minutes each side is perfect. After 2 minutes, let's turn the other side. It is good to mince your garlic like this. At least you want to get 1 tablespoon. This has a little bit of olive oil in it. You want to slice your onions like this, very finely. And now we're going to do the same thing for the bell peppers. Perfect. Look at this, you guys. This is so tender, soft. This is perfect. And I'll take it out of the heat. And now we're adding the minced garlic in here. Now you want to add 1 cup tomato sauce, high heat. You can also add sofrito. If you want this recipe, I have it in my channel. I will leave you the link in the description below. This moment you want to taste your salt. You want to add a pinch, just like so. Right away we want to add our veggies, onions and peppers. This is so pretty. This is totally optional, but you could add some cilantro at the end. This is perfect. Save it for later. Look how good is this. Wow, this smells so good. And now we want to place our meat in here. Look at this. Let's put the lid and keep it there for at least 5 minutes. Wow, look at this, you guys. This smells so good. Our meat is almost done. It's almost ready. We'll give it 1 more minute for the other side. Look how yummy this meat is right now. This is the moment for the cilantro. Just a pinch. This is the moment to serve. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, give it a like, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for following up our recipes. See you next time. Bye-bye.